Eggs versus meat, protein comparison. 1. Protein quality. Eggs, considered the gold standard of protein, because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions for human needs. The biological value, BV, of eggs is 100, meaning the body absorbs and uses egg protein efficiently. Meat, chicken, beef, fish, etc. also provides complete protein with all essential amino acids. However, the BV of meat varies. Chicken 79, beef 80, fish 83/94, eggs 100 higher than meat. 2. Protein content per 100 g. Eggs 13 g protein. Chicken breast 31 g protein. Beef 26 g protein. Fish 25 g protein. Meat provides more protein per gram than eggs, but eggs have superior digestibility and absorption. 3. Digestibility and absorption. Eggs have a high digestibility score and are easily absorbed. Meat is also digestible, but can be slightly harder for some people due to its fiber content, connective tissues. 4. Other nutrients. Eggs rich in vitamin B12, choline, and healthy fats, especially in the yolk. Meat provides higher iron, especially red meat. Zinc and omega-3s in fish. Which is better? For muscle building and protein efficiency, eggs due to superior amino acid profile and absorption. For higher protein per serving, meat, especially chicken breast and lean beef. For overall nutrition, a combination of both is ideal. If you want the best of both worlds, eating eggs and lean meats together, like chicken, fish, or beef, ensures maximum protein intake and balanced nutrition.